In this exciting video, we unveil a game-changing strategy that has the power to unlock your path to financial freedom. Imagine being able to generate a massive amount of income, allowing you to live life on your own terms. This strategy has been carefully crafted to bring you incredible opportunities for wealth accumulation. By following the step-by-step instructions outlined in the video, you can set yourself on a course towards extraordinary profits. This isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven method designed to maximize your earning potential. Take control of your financial future and embark on a journey towards abundance. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Watch the video now and discover the key to unlocking unlimited financial success. And the good thing is that you can grab a lot of money without any skill or degree. That even doesn't matter if you are a complete beginner. You just need a laptop or smartphone or PC. And a stable internet connection will give you a great outcome. So stay tuned. But before we move towards our method, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, where I always showed up with brand new money-making methods online. If you are willing to make a lot of money too, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss any updates. Quora is a popular online platform that serves as a question and answer community. It allows users to ask questions on various topics and receive answers from a diverse community of contributors. The platform covers a wide range of subjects, including technology, science, history, arts, personal development, and more. Users can also follow topics, browse through questions and answers, and engage in discussions. Quora aims to provide a platform for individuals to share knowledge, insights, and personal experiences, fostering a collaborative environment where people can learn from one another. It has gained significant popularity as a resource for obtaining information, perspectives, and opinions from a global community of experts and enthusiasts. Quora itself does not provide a direct way to make money. However, there is a strategy you can consider to potentially earn money using Quora. You can share affiliate links on Quora that promote products or services relevant to the questions being asked. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Let me show you an example. Sign into your Quora account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. On the Quora homepage, locate the search bar at the top of the page. To give answers to others on Quora, sign into your Quora account. On the Quora homepage, you will see a feed of questions from various topics. You can browse through these questions to find ones you're interested in answering or use the search bar to find specific questions. Type in your specific question, such as how can I train my dog to stop barking? As you type, Quora will suggest related questions that have been previously asked. I want you to select the last week option. Here you will get the most precious questions. Click on the question you want to answer to view its details and existing answers. Copy that question and paste it into ChatGPT chat box. Now ChatGPT will do all the work for you and will give you a complete answer in just a couple of seconds. Now copy that answer and paste it into its comment. But wait, do not press Add Comment. Just leave this tab as it is for the next step. Open a new tab and again open Quora, but this time search for another category like how to lose weight. Now you can see a number of questions in this category too. Again, pick a question and paste into ChatGPT. And as you get your answer, copy it and paste it into its comment box and repeat the process for the third time and search for a new category that could be anything like email marketing, personal development, etc. As you search for it, you will get more questions. Answer them using ChatGPT. Now you have noticed that I have answered 3 questions but didn't publish my comment. What do we have to do now to make money by commenting or answering questions on Quora? The answer is simple. We would use Quora's traffic for our own purpose. Now, I want you to open Digistore 24 and sign up for a free account. And pick the products that are related to the category you have pasted your answers. Now paste your affiliate link from Digistore 24. Pick a dog-related product that is going to give a great commission. Copy your affiliate link and paste it into that comment you answered the question. Obviously, people here are curious to get their answers or a solution for their problems. So, if you offer them the products that can solve their problems, they would purchase that product using your affiliate link. You would get paid immediately after they make a purchase. Just paste the product link related to all three questions and you would get paid for that. Quora has high traffic and is loaded with people that have some kind of problems or questions. You are going to offer a solution to all those people with a product. 90% of people will be willing to make a purchase. You would get paid. You can also join any other affiliate program like Amazon. That would give you the same results. That's all for today. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. I hope you liked this video. If yes, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. See you with a new website. Take care.